Premature reverberation.
Alright, y'all. Today we're making this bad boy right here. Oh, yeah. How y'all doing? Alright, we're going to take this, turn it into something spooky. Stay tuned. See what we can get into. Top to the bottom. I'm just going to cut this off. We're not going to use this anyway. Make sure everything's tight before taking the wire out. Otherwise, I think we're going to have some problems. Just pull the wire out. Tighten everything back up. Got a little bolt under here. Make sure it's tight. I'm gonna undo this top piece. Like everything on here seems to be like hand tightened, so it shouldn't be too much of a problem to take apart. Yeah, I'm going to figure something out for the middle. So we're going to start taking these apart. Shoots up. Now, this out. Exchange this one with this one. Bolt in at the bottom. Center. This piece. And of course this piece. Alright, so I think this is what we're going to go with here with all the parts that we've had. I'm going to put another piece here in the middle, but for now we're going to work with this. Let's see where we go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work on the candles. Same thing we did for the other project. With the other candle holder, we're going to use the same process. If you'd like to see the process, go back in my history and look at the candle holder that I made. Alright, so we got everything where we want it. So now we're going to paint everything black and do all our touch-ups. We'll be right back. Alright, so I gave it a once over with the old black paint. Yeah, I put a foam skull right there in the middle. I'm gonna show you how to make that one next. So now we're gonna take a dry brush with the white, give it that little bit of ambiance. Pretty much get the brush cleared out. Barely see any on there. Just highlight everything. Yeah. I'll make that pop. Pop. Do the skull here a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Good baby boy. Good baby boy pop. Yes, sir. Edges a little bit. Yes, sir. Pop, 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 pop. Like that, don't you? Pop, pop. Bring everything out of it. There. Bring the edges all out. Yes, sir. All right. Look at that. That thing's sweet. Yes, sir. I like that. See that? See how this skull popping out now? Yeah. Yes, sir. Love it. Gives a little more depth to it and everything else. Now we're waiting for everything else to dry after my touch up. After everything else dries, we're going to put everything together. Alright, now that everything's pretty much dry, we're going to put our candles down. Now, I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue at the bottom, just so she stays tight. This wrong one. Remember, be careful with your hot glue. Don't be like me and burn yourself. You all know how that goes. One more right here. insert our candles. Turn one, of course. Know what y'all think about her. I like it. In the comments below, let me know what y'all think. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share, and hit that like button. Hit that like button. And the notifications button. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in the next one.